Good day guys. Sorry for the inconvenience today. I didn't upload anything in the morning. So guys, what I'm gonna do, we are doing UK49 now, tea time, Helen. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you a strategy that she normally use, but this is the code, and then as you can see there, I did highlight that it's a missing number. So if the missing number is 6 from the code, it means that we will focus on what? We'll go to the series of 6 and add them up everything, like add up everything, like 6 plus 16 plus 26 plus 36 plus 46. She normally does use this strategy. Then after that, you just say equal what? 130. So meaning that our banker is 30. Our banker is going to range from, let me say, and it is 130 there, 130, which means we spin that number and say 310. Okay, so now we know that our banker is what? Is 13 or 31. This is the first banker that we have. I don't want to confuse you and give you a lot of numbers. Then now we're going to break our code. Okay, so let's start with the first code, which is 925. With 925, what we're going to do, we're going to add and subtract. If we add like 9, put it down, 9 plus 12, 9 plus 25, it gives us a 34, which is a 43. That is clear. And then what you do again, you're going to see that there's a 9 there, there's a 25. It can happen for him to hit like that. And then if you say 9, let me just write it down so that we're on the same spot. Okay, if we say 9 minus 25, you're gonna get a 16. This 16, which is going to appear in form of 19. So between these two numbers, there's a number that's going to repeat between 16 and 19. Do you see that, guys? And then normally these numbers, they go like this. It's a 16 there, it's a 12 there, it's a 21. You understand? It's like a sequencing according to the odds. 19 is an odd, 21 is an odd, 16 is an even, 12 is an even. So she can hit something like that. And remember, this number is very hot. This 25, it's hot because I can see it's sitting on 82.7%. So it means that it's very hot. Okay, when we are done doing that, we're going to move on then to the next chord, which is 034. So with 034, what normally happens is they do spin these numbers around, which you're gonna get a 34. Then if you check there, we got a 40. And then sometimes she will say 3 plus 4, it gives us a 7. And then now the 0 will be this side. So there's another high chance of hitting 7 as the neighbor of what? 8. Instead, 8 is the bonus. 8 or 11 tonight is the bonus. Because Christy did not hit the 17. Either way, Helen is going to take that 8 and put it as a bonus ball for today. Again, they will repeat that bonus ball, 8 or 11. Keep that in mind. Okay, so we have a 34 there, we're done. Let's move on to the next chord, which is 817. This number can just come like as an 817 like this. That can happen with Helen, but I don't want to chance. Let's add and subtract. So when we add, when I say 8 plus 17, we get a what? A 25. A 25 that I've just mentioned about there. If we separate, we get a 9. So this number is a nice combination, like 9, 25. But if though she decided to put a 19 instead, if a 19 comes, you must know that the 22 also must drop on that corner. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write singles for you guys so that when you are doing a pairing, you don't struggle. And another thing is, guys, please, when you pair your numbers, I do recommend you guys to use a pairing app. And I know some of you don't have enough voucher, but please try at least do the pairing, use the pairing app, and then pick one line which you're confident about. Okay, so let's do our recap of the numbers that are gonna be dropping tonight. We said we have a 13, which is a 31. We have a 9, which is a 19. 19. We have a 25. We have a 43 or 34. 43 or 34. Then we do have an 8. We do have a 17. We do have a, what else? A 40. And then we do have these other called numbers, 48, 48. What else? 28. I saw 28 there. I saw 22. I saw 12 or 21. Remember, I'm just spinning. It's not like they are so much, but I'm spinning the numbers. And then we do have a 2. So when you are done doing this, you have to add up everything that is here in the code. 9 plus 2 should be 11. 11 plus 5 is a 9, is a 16. A 16 which is a 19. This number is not yet done. 16 or 19. It's not yet done. Then if you say 3 plus 4 is a 7. At the bottom, if you say 8 plus 1 is a 9. 9 plus 7 is a 16. This 16, trust me, 16, 19. This number is still a fire. And then let me just check with my predictions here if I'm correct or what. Because Helen has got this tendency of hitting us with numbers that are not existing. For example, you know, there's a number that you must add, guys. It's either, I'm not sure, it's either it's 37 or 31. You must add this number. And then when you check, you must also make sure that the 17 also is to be on your list. And the 24th. So there I did say 13, 31. Remember, 13 and 31 is something, it's one chord. And then we say 28. UK49 is not an easy game. You need to work very hard for it. For you to hit that jackpot. 34, 46, 43. Yeah, what you can also do, just take a screenshot of this, and maybe when you take a screenshot, it will be easy for you when you're writing those numbers down. You will know exactly what you are doing. And by the way, guys, on this code, I nearly forgot. On this code, we have to draw. It is very, very important for you to draw. If you draw this code, it is also going to give you a few extra bankers. I almost forgot. Okay, as you can see that we have a 13 there already, which is a 31. We do have a 34 visible there, which is a 43. And then we do have an 8, which is also visible there as an 8. Then we do have, is it a what? A 23. But a 23, a 32 came. So either way, we'll go as an alternative route, because I've seen that normally they use the middle number to predict whatever they do. So this was just an extra logic to guide you through. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. I don't know if Make a Million is gonna play today, but what I'm going to do, I'll send you guys Powerball video before the end of today, because I can see the time is gone. Some of you, they play Powerball at the betting stations. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.